Hey guys, we're going to be setting up this rain barrel today. So I'm going to show you how to set it up plus connect it up, so the whole setup. Now in this case, usually what you guys should do is just place the barrel here. We're going to cut this around here and then that connects up to here and that's it. So it's pretty simple. However, in my case, I can't place it right underneath. I have to place this right here. So to make that connection easier, I just bought this. So I'm just gonna have to hook up that up, and that's gonna run to here, and I'll show you that guy in a second. So the reason we took that out is because everything's inside the barrel. So I'm gonna just turn it over and then everything should come out. So I just flipped it over, and inside the barrel were these things. And we just need to set these guys up. This is the easiest part about it. So it's just hooking it up. We do have these two, plus you need this for sure. So not all barrels will have two, but in this case we do, which is great. And then we just have to take this out. And all we're doing is putting around this, okay? So once you wrap around it, this is so it won't leak. This is very important actually, whenever you're doing this installation. Then you will find a hole right here, or maybe in the bottom as well, which we have both. And all we have to do is just by hand twist it around. Twist it around until it's very tight. Make sure it ends up like this. And you're pretty much set. We're gonna do the same thing with the second one. So right now we have two, one on this side, and then there's one in the bottom. Okay, so this is how this rain barrel looks like. After that, we're just gonna screw this back in because we do need this filter right here. Now here's our rain barrel, and all we need is this, okay, to cut this right here. Now, like I said, for most of you, you're just gonna place it underneath. If you're gonna place it right underneath, make it really tight. So cut it around here, and then you just place this against this, and you're done. However, I'm gonna place that thing, so that adapter, so this can go up here. So I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit more up, but not too much, so around here-ish. And it's really, really easy. So after we cut it, there it is, there's the piece. And in my case, I'm just gonna hook this up, this adapter, right here. So here's the adapter. It goes right into here, water will spill right here, and we're done. It's always better if you guys don't get this type of thing going on. If it's just going down, even better. In my case, I kind of had to level this up, so that's why I have that. It's no big deal at that angle, but if you guys have an angle like this, I would suggest, you don't have to, but you can just put a screw right through here just to secure this adapter. And remember, in wintertime, you can't use this. This might crack if water gets in here. It freezes, so you will have to hook it up again. Okay, and that's why I just left this right here. Obviously, for the summer, we can put it away. Comes winter, we put it back on.